Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will teach you how to stream movies without black screen on the Discord. So how you can do it, watch this video till the end. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to open your browser, the Chrome browser. First of all, you have to open the Netflix or any other website from where you want to stream a movie. So once you will do it, after that you have to click on the three dot icon, and here you have to click on the settings, and you will see this type of the interface. Just right here you have to search for the hardware. Once you will search for it, you can see use hardware acceleration when available. Just simply turn this toggle off. Once you will turn off this toggle like this, simply you have to open your Discord, and in your Discord you have to click on the settings, and in the settings scroll down, and here you will see registered games. And as you can see, no game detected. Simply add the Google Chrome right here, and once you will search for it, click on the add game. Now you will see the Google Chrome right here. Simply you can stream or share any uh, movie just by uh, clicking by clicking on the voice chat on any server. So this is the simple way to do this. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you.